Hi gearheads! Welcome back to Carshale. Today we've got something truly extraordinary, a Tricycle RV camper that combines compact design, innovation, and adventure. This is perfect for anyone looking to travel in style and comfort. The focus shifts to the camper's exterior. The smooth white finish is accented with bold blue highlights, giving it a modern and dynamic look. The host highlights the aerodynamic design, mentioning how it's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also functional for better road performance. The camera moves to the interior as the host steps inside. The compact space is cleverly designed, featuring a seating area that converts into a comfortable bed. A small kitchenette is equipped with a mini fridge, sink, and cooking essentials, making it perfect for road trips. Storage compartments are seamlessly integrated, ensuring everything has its place. The host notes how the panoramic windows flood the interior with light, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. The Tricycle setup is next, with the host pointing out the sturdy frame and efficient engineering. The vehicle is lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for urban commutes or off-road exploration. The eco-friendly engine adds another layer of appeal, catering to sustainable travel enthusiasts. The camera zooms out to give a full view of the camper in the showroom. The host emphasizes how this Tricycle RV camper is designed for ultimate mobility without compromising on comfort or style. That's all for today, gearheads. Let us know what you think about this incredible Tricycle RV camper in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing reviews. Until next time, keep cruising!